In this video, let's talk about how to fix Hotmail account hacked. Now, in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is, if you still have access to your account, you'll need to quickly head over and change your password and make sure that you log out of other devices that is currently being logged into it. In the second case, if the hacker has already changed the password and you have no longer access to your account, in this situation, what you could simply do is open up a new web browser apart from the one that you are currently using. So for example, if you're using the application, open up a web browser, search for live.com or microsoftoutlook.com, and within the login section, head over to can't access your account. Head over to select one of these options depending upon your case, and it is going to give you an option of recover your account. Type in the email, phone number or Skype that is linked, and then you'll be able to find the exact account that you have. In this situation, you need to provide your ID so that they could verify your ID, and they may also ask you to take a video verification selfie so that they could confirm that it is actually you. So this is the process that you could follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.